Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you that the people call the London Bridge. Actually, it's not a London Bridge, it's a London Tower Bridge. The architecture name is Harris John and crosses River Thames, which is officially opened in June 30 in 1894 by the Prince and Princess of Wales, and which is location is the central London, the London Borough, the Southwark. It is nearby the London Tower, that's why it's called London Tower Bridge. The real London Bridge is little bit further.
Two flags, two different flags right here. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা the tickets, the adult for 1140 pound for senior. This goes to actually this closed now. Assistant room. This goes from glass. So that part.
I wanted to go to see upstairs in the top of the London Bridge, but it was closed for the visitor in that time.
What's down there?
Just an underground thing.
Makes me go need to go back on
The bridge is 800 feet, 240 meters long with the two towers, each 213 feet, 65 meter high, built on piers. You'll be lucky if you can see that bridge gate can open. It used to open 4,000 times per year, but nowadays it's open only 800 times per year. This one the most famous tourist attraction in London. 500,000 visitors visit per year. This Tower Bridge in London are very famous.
That's the castle there. You see.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please comment below and I'll catch you the next one. Until then, peace.